What's up, fool? Felipe Esparza right here with the one and only Dr. G. He just adjusted me and all my friends and my new homie over here. Man, we came in here stressed out and he adjusted us. It was amazing. If you're out there, man, if you ever want your back adjusted, go see Dr. G. Even if you're not in Texas, man, make the drive. It's worthwhile. I ain't gonna lie, it was amazing. I feel great. I feel tall, like, look at that, I could touch that now.
And no more sobadores, right?
No more sobadores, man. Mira, cuando llegué aquí me dolía la espalda, no podía moverme y el doctor Gutierrez me arregló, me dio la bendición, me dio sin la campana, sin hierbabuena, sin sana colita de rana. Esto sí era bueno.
Okay. Hey everybody, today this is Dr. G. I'm here with the legend Felipe Esparza. And then so he's in town. He had to come see Dr. G. He had to get some things worked on. We're going to straighten his spine out. He was also telling me some stuff about his knee, so we'll kind of go into that.
Yeah, I messed up my knee praying.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm out of shape, man. Like, I'm really out of shape. I twisted my ankle yesterday, crip walking.
All right.
For real, man. Every dance I've ever hurt myself. Like, I had a cramp one time, my calf, trying to moonwalk on carpet.
Right.
And it don't work.
Any limited range of motion? Can you bend it all the way?
I can do all that.
Yeah. All right. And then the ankle, this is recent?
The ankle is recent.
Oh, man,
yeah.
we got a good adjustment for the ankle, man. You'll like
it.
Yeah. All right. So, any neck pain, anything going on, anything like that?
Neck pain, yeah, for watching that map on CNN and Fox.
That's right. Text neck, bro.
Yeah. My neck's fine. Whenever I had my neck cracked, I don't know how.
You'll like it.
Like my wife, she cracks her back like, or she just does that. I don't know how to do this. I've never done that.
Oh, man. No, she's going to be jealous. Okay, so you ready to do your neck, man?
All right.
All right, so the adjustment, all it is, it's not the bone shifting, it's the joint stretching open.
You're going to be like, go like that, like
yeah, basically,
Kramer
man.
to Elaine, huh?
Yeah, so all it is the joint really stretching. There's gas in the joint, so when it stretches, that's what the pop is. It's not the bone shifting, nothing crazy. So you're going to lean your head back towards me. Just relax right there.
Oh, shit, that hurt, dude. They're going to hurt it again? Am I going to be all right?
You're going to be good.
All right.
You're good.
Fuck it. I don't want to fucking, like when I went to El Salvador one time, he was rubbing my back. When I left, I couldn't move my ankles in.
No, man. All right, just a little bit this other side, right here. Relax, right? Or a little bit.
Oh, fuck, that hurt.
Not much more.
All right.
Are you still alive, man?
Yeah.
A good hurt, right? Okay.
Let me get
We're
him.
being tortured here, right?
Yeah.
This was a sicario, bro.
No, man.
Give us the answer.
Dude,
They
that's...
call him el técnico, eh?
Yeah, man. Just going to go through, just kind of feel where there's some tension.
No.
Let me check right here. Bend this one right here. No pain there, no?
Yeah.
Let's see. No pain right there?
No.
No. Yeah, man. All right. Oh, man.
I'm gonna start a Zumba class after this.
I'm gonna use this roller. I'm gonna set it. It's a little heavy.
All right. I
that
thought
all
somebody was laying on me.
Nah. Just roll that out right there, man. You okay?
What kind of roller is it? Like for tortillas?
Basically, man. There's no meat involved in this. You tell me if it's too much, though, man. Man. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Tell me if it's too much, man. Let's see. I'm gonna put a little pressure here, okay?
All right.
You okay?
Yeah.
A little more right here. Good, that wasn't much. Go to flip over on your back. All right, we're gonna cross your arms right here, man. Just put a little.
Ooh.
You all right?
Yeah.
And then bend this knee right there. Just relax. A little pressure.
Oh, what?
I was gonna do it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it now.
That's my buddy. You should have asked me, bro, a question like Tejano music or rancheras.
All right, so what is it?
Pulido, mijo.
Dame pulido, bro.
So there's gonna be a little bit of movement on your ankle, okay?
Okay.
This is the bad one, right?
Yeah.
Just relax, relax.
Oh!
Right?
It comes out at night, dog.
I know, man. I'm
Little
about
bit
to put
Go ahead, stand up. Let's see if you're still alive. You're still with us, man.
I feel taller, dog.
Yeah, man.
No, I do not.
That's it, man. How do you feel? How do you feel?
All right.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, all right.